Can you turn up the light on for me? Yeah, I hit the button. I don't know why it's not on. On the power button. Yeah, it sounds up. There we go. Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101, and today we will be doing a stock review on C Limited, and by honorable mention, we'll also do a slight stock review on Microvision. Now, this off the top of your brain, what do you think C Limited is all about? Right? You got the word C, you got the word limited, so it's like, what do you think it's all about? Maybe it's about cargo ships, transferring goods from China, Taiwan, or Singapore, or Malaysia to the U.S. Maybe it's a submarine company that is now using self-guided microchips to, I don't know, anything logistic-wise. No. If that was your answer, it has nothing to do with the C. Nothing at all. Shout out to Clan Killer for giving me this stock. I believe that I am about a year too late of investing in this stock because this stock has literally taken off. And we're going to get into the details. We're going to get into the analytics and some information about this stock because I'm a little bit upset this morning, okay? Because he didn't let me know about this stock a lot earlier. I'm kidding. But I wish I would have known about the stock. Like I said, I watched my Google IPO. If you guys want to go over to Google and type in a Google IPO, it's not about Google's IPO, but you're going to sign up for a listing, okay? You're going to sign up for a listing that is absolutely going to help your portfolio. That's going to help your portfolio. It's going to give you all the listings, okay? So I'm going to be doing a lot of things here. I'm out of my usual schedule because I kind of want to do right before the stock market opens. That way you guys can make a very intelligent decision with your investing, okay? So excuse me if you see me doing a lot of things with my TV and things like that, but we're going to get into it. I'm not going to waste a lot of time. So I'm going to share my screen over here. Give me 1 second as I set up. I'm moving, I'm grooving, and we're going to get right to C Limited. Again, we're going to do Microvision as well. So let's go ahead and share this. All right, C Limited. I'm going to blow this up for you guys so you can see just a little bit better. And I'm going to believe, there we go. And that's my all access TV that I did a commercial about, guys. I'm an agent for that. It's $50 for 5 connections, and you get all the TV channels, by the way. All right, C Limited. So we're going to go through the time chart first. So the past 5 years, this is phenomenal. The past 5 years, their return percentage has been 818%. Okay? 818%. That is absolutely phenomenal, okay? Absolutely phenomenal. Now, for their 1 year, they have done 309%, 3 months, 111%, 1 month, 29% roughly, 1 week, 22%, and 1 day they're already up 2.41%. So a stock like this, I hate when I do this because when it blows up in front of my very eyes, it makes me want to invest. But I'm going to wait just a little bit. And I kind of want to invest in the pre-market because when the market hit, it may even boost her up a lot more than that. But I'm going to get into some details. I'm going to skip it a little bit. It says the firm engages, C Limited, the firm engages in the provision of online gaming services. It operates through the following segments: digital entertainment, e-commerce, and digital financial services. Those segments alone are absolutely enormous. Think about this. It operates through the following segments: digital entertainment. They're talking about online gaming, okay? Online gaming. E-commerce, okay? They deal in the same sector and industry as Amazon and Alibaba and Walmart, all those, right? E-commerce and digital financial services. That is absolutely enormous. Those sectors are huge. The digital entertainment segment offers access to game-related content through game forums, group voice chat, live streaming, and other user socializing function on the Garner mobile app and desktop application. Now, Garena is a company that falls under the C Limited brand. They acquired them, and they acquire a lot of their, live streaming, group voice chat. All of this is huge in the gaming world, right? Because I'm still waiting for when PS5 comes out, because me and my buddies, we're playing Madden, we're playing 2K, you're playing Call of Duty. Now, if that person is a friend, I would love for them just to put maybe a small video, because I have a PS4 camera, right? But it really doesn't do what I thought it was going to do, where I'm sitting there playing you in Madden and I can see you and we're talking trash to each other. That's what I thought. So hopefully PS5 has evolved to that, okay? What else do we have? The e-commerce segment manages third-party marketplace through Shopee mobile app and websites that connect buyers and sellers. Now, some of this information, some of these companies you're going to hear, you're not familiar with because they're headquarters out of Singapore, okay? The digital finance service segments include financial services to individuals and businesses, including e-wallet and payment services through the AirPay mobile app and AirPay counter application on mobile phones or computers. The company was founded by those guys on May 8, 2009 and headquartered in Singapore. So listen, this is not a new company. This company is already 11 years old, okay? They just became public, and I'll show you here about in 5 years. They just became public in 2017, October 20th, okay? And they've been shooting up like a rocket. And unfortunately, when they first came out, they were about $15. It was actually lower than that, about $14. And look what it is now in the past 3 years, $149. Come on, guys. We should have known about this. Why nobody didn't tell me about this 3 years ago? All right. Not your fault, it's mine. Employees, they have roughly 30,000 employees. Of course, their headquarters in Singapore, Central Singapore, founded in 2007. Even though here it says 2009 is headquartered in Singapore, so I don't know what that discrepancy is all about. The collection is technologies, entertainment, finance, video games, e-commerce, internet, and retail. And they're talking about their quarterly earnings. Again, you got 13 analysts saying 85% buy, 8% hold, sell 8%. You know me, if it's not above 25% sell, I'm not really looking at that. Let's look at their quarterly earnings. See, their fourth quarter, not too bad. They kind of was on a decline. Q1, they saw it to decline a little bit more. Q2, but they don't even have their Q3 up here. And their Q3 has definitely done a lot better than their Q2 and Q1. Okay, other sectors that people bought in the same space is Fastly, Livagon, CrowdStrike, and DocuSign. Now, they're also in other sectors, and we're going to get into that. So let's move right along to Market Watch. As you can tell, this is bothering me because they're up. They're already up to 149, about to hit 150. I'm watching it, though. I think I'm going to invest into it. Now, like any other company, we like to look at the EPS, earnings per share. That doesn't seem profitable because they might have a lot of loans. They might have a lot of investors that have not yet been paid. So they have to pay out those investors. So right now, of course, they're not paying dividends because the net growth, their positive earnings per share is not an amount where they're actually generating a lot of revenue to pay people, okay? Let's see what's pertinent here. In the last 52 weeks, look at this, guys. Look at this. In the past year, they went from $26 to $152. I know. You're kicking yourself like I'm kicking myself. That is when people are telling you that there's money in the market and this depends on where you invest. And the big question you have is, how do I know which stock? How do I know when to invest? It's all about information. It really is. It's all about information when a stock is about to release from its IPO. And, you know, who's investing inside that company, how much they're investing, what sectors, what industry are they, and then what is their business plan? A lot of that actually has to do how good is a company's going to do, but it's no reassurance, FYI. Let's see if there's anything pertinent It says C Limited stock price target raised to 150 from 68. That was back in August 19. I'm just kicking myself big time here. Let's see. Stock price target raised from 35 to 25. Okay. There's really nothing else there. Let's read what the Motley Fool has to say. It basically says, why C Limited stock jumped today? I don't know why they cut that off. It says, what happened? Share of C Limited jumped 8.7 on Tuesday, which was yesterday, following the release of the Singapore-based tech company's second quarter results. C revenue soared 102% over 1 year to $882 million, fueled by the broad-based growth across its online gaming, e-commerce, and digital payment business. Everything is in-house. If you want to they have online gaming, you can pay right through us. They have it all right here. You wanted to ship, we got e-commerce too. They keeping all the money in-house. That's exactly what a lot of companies are doing. They like to keep a lot of things in-house, generated by them, so they keep all the profits. Notably, C quarter's actively users in digital entertainment segment climbed 61% to 500 million people. We have to understand when you're in that Singapore market, you get in Singapore, you get in Malaysia, you get in Taiwan, you get in China, you get in all of Asia. And in that sector, man, it's almost 2 billion people over there. China alone is like 1.2 billion people. Okay, then you add Malaysia and Singapore and Taiwan, man, it's crazy. So they have a big clientele. And we're talking about not going to acquire C Limited services, but we're talking about investing. Okay, while its paying users surged 91% to 50 million, the gains were driven in part by the strong performance of C Limited self-developed game Free Fire, which is a hit peak over 100 million daily users and was the highest growth in mobile game in Southeast Asia in the second quarter. Of course, a game like that, I don't know too much about the game, but it seemed like it's competing with Fortnite. And as well for you guys who do the whole WoW, World of Warcraft, guys, that has been going on for years and people absolutely love it. So you might want to check it out if you are a gamer, okay? So we're going to move right along to Microvision. This is my honorary stock, and the 5-year chart has it in the negative at 53.38%. In the past year, it has done 92% in growth, which is absolutely good. The past 3 months, 65%. And in the past, that was the past 3 months. The past month has been 45. They're going on a down slope. In the past week, they've been down 5%. And today, they're down 0.69%. Okay, let's read a little bit about them. Microvision engages in development of laser beam scanning technology. They offer its products under the Pico brand. Pico scanning technology has addressing the following market segments in the interactive and non-interactive projected displays, 3D perspective, LiDAR sensors for consumer electronics, augmented mixed reality. Okay, that's your whole, what they call those things, the 3D, 4D, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. And 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for automotive active collision avoidance. The company was founded in May 1993, so they're a fairly old company, and it's headquartered in Redmond, Washington. They only have 30 employees. That's pretty much it for the information there. Their collections of electronics, technology, automotive, road transportation, and North America. As you can tell, even though they're in the red, their quarterly earnings are still doing pretty darn good. They're doing pretty darn good, okay? Good morning, Nolan Baptiste. Thank you for joining me this morning, sir. People also bought Remark Holdings, Eagle Aerial, Genius Brand, and Ideanomics. Okay, going over to Market Watch. And they are a company that's operating out of a little bit of debt. They don't have too much, as I'm seeing the EPS. Their 52-week range was less than $1. They got all the way up to $3.45. Okay. What else is notably to note? I don't have any more information about that. Let's see what we have over here. And it says Microvision is a U.S. company that develops laser scanning technology and for projection. So instead of me running my mouth, let's do some investing really quickly. So I can see the potential for this particular stock. Now, I did a lot more research. Okay, I don't want to make this session too long, but I think they can go back up to $3. Okay. So a lot of times I like to do the news so you guys can see exactly. Stock market breakdown, how serious is it? Let's see if we have any information concerning Microvision. It says Microvision prices offering at a 6% discount That was back in 2012. That's not notable. Okay, I don't know what they're talking about there. Going over to the Wall Street Journal. Yeah, they're not giving me exact information that I wanted you guys to see. But nonetheless, let's get into some investing. I'm just going to go ahead and invest in dollars instead of shares. Okay, I'm just going to invest $100. Okay, so I bought 69.4 stocks. I don't have any money in my buying power. Robinhood's going to go ahead and deposit that money for me. Okay, I'm waiting for Robinhood. Let me refresh. You know how Robinhood is slow. I always beat Robinhood up, right? But I do, believe me, I do majority of my investing on WeBull. If you guys like free commission buying, then check the link in the description for WeBull or also Robinhood. Okay, there's my $100. And I'm going to review it and buy it and done. Okay, good with that one. Okay, so I invested $100 in Microvision because I think that stock has the potential of going $3 again. And then Limit. I think for this one, I'm just going to buy one share. I'm going to buy one share. They dropped down to $145.98. So I'm buying this at a discount. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to do in dollars because I want to do 150. I like even numbers. Okay, review. Deposit my 150 Robinhood. Don't play me. Okay. Oh, there we go. 150 is there. Dollars. Review order. Buy. And done. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is your stock review today. I did Seed Limited was the headlining stock with honorable mention Microvision. So I believe both of these. Oh, did it just jump? Did you see that? Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Did I just make some money that quick? Yo, I just made didn't I tell you when the market opened, it was going to it has the potential of this boosting up. Look at down here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. I got a little bit excited. My apologies. I bought it. What they tell me I bought it at? Your market value. I made $1.50, but now, okay, here we go. I'm already $1. See how I just made that quick money? That was just quick money. Okay, now I'm down to 14%. Oh, now I'm negative 9%. Thanks, C Limited. I thought you was going to do something great in front of my very eyes. But don't forget, right before I bought this, it was $148. Now it's at $151. So it came out the gate. Okay? So hopefully it keeps rising up today. I'm going to keep you guys abreast of the situation. Who knows? And now it's dropping. But anyway, this is Financial Literacy 101. You just received a stock review for C Limited, as well as Microvision by honorable mention. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment. Learn money and be inspired. And you know me watching C Limited pretty much all day. Hold up. What the Dow at? The Dow is up 0.15%. You guys have a great, wonderful day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.